Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So let's see. Oh. Empress and the Ten of Pentacles. Pero parang iba yung naano ko kanina. Parang nakita ko yung Five of Cups eh. Okay, so we have here the Eight of Pentacles. So, prosperity. May mga darating na rewards or pera or compensation or kung ano man ito na galing sa hard work mo. Kasi you're making some projects na medyo may impress itong mga maring client mo, the boss, or kung sino man tong may impress dito sa ginagawa mo. So, may bonus. Uy, talaga naman. So, we have here the Ace of Cups na paparating. Ayan. So, a lover as well. May coming in new person. Kung ikay naghihintay, kung ikay single right now, looking for love, waiting for love, may new person dito na paparating na maaaring magsimula ito as a business partner. And we also have here a Ten of Wands, this King of Swords, and the Four of Swords. So, for some of you, parang ang tagal mong hinintay na makamit itong mga achievements na ito kasi you suffered a lot in the past. So, may mga rejected project ka rin na talagang medyo na-stress ka, maaaring na-depress ka din kasi hindi naging maganda yung resulta, yung parang may mga failed projects ka din na nangyari before na parang na-stress ka ng sobra or pinoblema mo ng husto. Pero ngayon bumabawi ka. Talagang you're working hard for this success. And the Knight of Pentacles. Ito kasi para kasing tinatanong mo din dati, bakit ganun ang bagal ng success? Kasi ito, we have here the Knight of Pentacles. Kasi ito yung the slowest knight in the deck, pero siya yung sinasabing slowly but surely. Kasi yun ang nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. So, hindi dapat madaliin yung mga ganitong bagay kasi iba-iba ng timeline yung mga tao. Maaaring sa iba is nare-reach nila agad yung goals nila. Tapos, mayroong mga taong hindi. Ang tagal ng success. So, kumbaga kasi, pag pinaghihintay ka ng matagal, ibig sabihin may malaki itong darating para sa'yo. So, tingnan natin sa signs and the symbol cards natin. We have here the doll, open book, sunglasses. So, itong taong to na coming in, parang magsisimula kayo as enemies. Parang enemies kayo nitong taong to. Or hindi maganda yung unang impression or unang meet up niyong dalawa, hindi maganda. So, we have here the pencil. So, it's a mistake. Parang malaking pagkakamali lang yung nangyari ngayon. And the light bulb. Shoes sa bottom card natin. So, maaaring divine counterpart mo ito. Parang aso't pusa ang mangyayari sa inyo eh. Kumbaga, love-hate situation. Ganon. The more you hate, the more you love ang mangyayari dito. And tingnan natin sa initials. We have MU. Uy, MU. Parang mutual understanding or malabong usapan. Magkakaroon kayo ng malabong usapan nitong taong ito. LD, B, G, T, N. Ayan, letter S. Maaaring galing din sa mga LGBT community. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Message ng Archangel. Kasi parang nagsisimula kayo sa kasaran or inis. Yung unang feeling na mararamdaman nyo sa isa't isa is inis or galit. Ganon. Pero mapapalitan nyo ng love. From hate to love. Clear sentence by Archangel Rockwell. Notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. Okay. So, tingnan natin sa tarot messages cards natin. my intuition choose you. Pero yung intuitions nyo, sinasabi na, this is the one. You are the one. Honesty is the best policy. Okay, I'm being defensive. So, kaya siguro ganun, defensive siya. So, I want to protect you. I want to surprise you, feeling left out in the cold, husband-wife material, and I want commitment. So, yung bottom card, guarded and wounded. So, para kasing this person is protecting their heart kasi parang nagkaroon na siya ng hindi magandang past. Kaya defensive siya, guarded and wounded. Ayan, so parang defense mechanism lang niya yung ginagawa niya para inisin ka or galitin ka, gano'n. Kasi parang may mga trust issues siya sa past niya na ayaw na niya maulit. Okay, so tingnan natin. Sa ating blue card, we have here manifestation, all strings attached, and wow, this is true love. Boy. So, tingnan natin sa The Hidden Truth Oracle cards natin. We have here, I knew exactly what I was doing. So, ayun, no, talagang sinasadya niya eh. Sinasadya niya na asarin ka, galitin ka. Ayan, so we have, I remember every detail of that day. I'm starting to understand our connection. Kasi gustong-gusto niya yun, nakakita niya, naiinis ka, nagagalit ka, ganon. Iba yung dating sa kanya. So, we have here so many things remind me of you. Maaari kasing naalala niya sa'yo yung past niya or may something in the past na naalala siya sa'yo, kaya naiinis siya din. Kaya ganon. We will be together again. So, after kasi nito parang iiwasan mo siya eh. Pero after this, ayan, sa mahabang panahon parang kung nangyari na 'to in the past, magkakasalubong ulit kayo nito kung nakilala mo na siya noon. Kung nangyari na, ito noon 'no, maaaring siya yung next na magiging karelasyon mo, ayan. Nahulog pa 'to eh, I will wait for a sign from you. So, tingnan natin sa ating general signs and messages. Cup is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Number 5, May, plastic. So, yun o, plastic. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya nagpapakita ng katotohanan. So, yung pinapakita niya kasi sa'yo with this doll is hindi totoo sa kung ano man yung talagang siya, no? Kasi iniinis ka niya eh, pero hindi talaga yun yung nature niya. No, parang this person is pretending to be rude, pero hindi naman talaga siya ganun, no? We have here gorgeous, shy at first, sword is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Number 10, February, trustworthy, Taurus, karmic relationship, funny. So, siguro yung iniyakan niya or yung past niya is a karmic partner. Kaya parang natrauma siya dun eh. We have here nature lover, flirtatious. So, yun siguro yung way niya ng pakikipag-flirt. We have here travel, very loyal, and selfie-holic. So, yun ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.